So, CompTIA, CIA Cybersecurity Analysis, Vulnerability Patching, and Attack Surface Management. So, welcome to the Vulnerability Patching and Attack Resource Management Practice Lab. In this module, you will be provided with the instructions and devices needed to develop your hands-on skills. So, learning outcomes. In this module, you will complete the following exercise. Exercise 1, Windows Patch Management Techniques. Exercise 2, Linux Patch Management Techniques. After completing this module, you should be able to create a production workstation, create a window workstation update your policy, create an update script, and create a schedule update task. The following exam objectives are covered in this module. Explain the concepts related to vulnerability response, handling and management, patching and configuration management, attack surface management. So lab duration, it will take approximately 1 hour to complete this lab. For more information on using practice labs, please see our help and support page. You can also raise a technical support ticket from this page. So click next to view the lab topology used in this module. So lab topology. During your session, you will have access to the following lab configuration. Depending on the exercise, you may or may not use all of the devices, but they are shown here in the layout to get an overall understanding of the topology of the lab. So ACI DC01, ACI DM01, ACI Win11, ACI Alma, and ACI Kali. So click next. So exercise 1, Windows Patch Management Techniques. Microsoft releases updates to remediate detected vulnerabilities on Windows devices and servers. As a cybersecurity analyst, it is essential to keep all the devices updated with the latest updates to prevent the exploitation of vulnerabilities. In this exercise, a policy will be implemented to ensure workstation devices are kept up to date. So, learning outcomes. After completing this exercise, you should be able to create a production workstation, create a Windows workstation update group policy. So, your devices, you will be using the following devices in this lab. Please power this on now. So, ECI DC01 and ECI Win11. So create a production workstation. In the enterprise environment, not all updates must be applied to all the network computers. For example, a different updates schedule will be applied to workstation and servers to minimize the impact on productivity. Different organization units need to be created to separate the devices on the network according to their functionality. And this task, a workstation organizational unit will be created to implement an update policy. So in the step 1 in the A711, in the server manager, click Tools and select Active Directory Users and Computers. In the Active Directory Users and Computers, right-click aciplab.com and select New and click Organizational Unit. So step 3, the new Object Organizational Unit pop-up window, enter the following: Production Workstation. Click OK. Step 4, in the Active Directory Users and Computers window, right-click in the right pane the Production Workstation Organizational Unit, select Next, and click Group. So in step 5, in the New Object Group window, enter the following in the Group Name field. So Group Name, Production Workstations. Then in the Active Directory Users and Computers window, select Computers, right-click, ACI Win11, and select Move. So step 7, in the Move pop-up window, select Production Workstation and click OK. Then step 8, in the Production Workstation Organizational Unit, right-click ACI Win11 and select Properties. Then step 9, in the ACI Win11 Properties, select the Member of tab, then click Add, and then enter the following in the Select Groups pop-up window and then enter the object name and to select field. So productions, then check names, then click apply on the ACI Win11 properties. Note, an organizational unit has been created on the Windows 11 workstation has been added to the organizational unit. Depending on the organization sizes, several other workstations may be added to in a production environment. So task 2, create a Windows Workstation Update Group Policy to ensure all devices on the network are kept up to date with the recent updates from Microsoft. A group policy can be implemented to enforce the installation of updates on workstation that are part of the network. In this task, a group policy will be created to ensure Windows Workstation are kept up to date. So connect to ECI D01, select Manager, then click Tools, then select Group Policy Management. Then step 2, expand the forest aciplab.com, domain aciplab.com, production workstation, select create a GPO in its domain and link it here. So in the new GPO pop-up window, enter the following production workstation update policy, then click next. Then step 5, click edit. And in the group policy management, enter window, expand computer configurations, policies, administrative templates, and then Windows components. In the window components, scroll down and select Windows updates. Right click configure automatic updates and select edit. Then select the enable radio button. Then select for auto download and schedule the install in the drop down menu. Check the install during automatic maintenance tick box. Schedule install day. Drop down menu. Select 6 every Friday. In the schedule install time drop down menu, select 1600. Click apply and OK. So a group policy has been created to ensure the production workstation will check and install Windows updates every Friday at 1600. The policy can be configured accordingly to the company's requirements on how regularly updates need to be applied to workstation. The Windows Update pane, right-click Remove Access to pause updates feature and select Edit. Then click Enable and then click Apply and then OK. Click Editor window. So in the group policy management window, right-click the production workstation update policy and then select Enforce. Click OK. Then right-click Start and select Window Terminal or Admin. So in the admin station, PowerShell. So GP update slash force, click enter. Executing the command will enforce the group policy on the device that was created in the previous steps. So GP results slash R, then note, press enter. Executing the command will display the applied group policies on the device. Scroll up on the administrator window, PowerShell window, and locate computer settings. The created production workstation update policy group policy has been successfully applied to the device, ensuring that Windows updates will be applied according to the policy. So right click start and select setting, then select Windows updates, then pause updates. Notice the pause update option is unavailable, indicating that the group policy has been applied successfully. Close the setting window. So exercise 2, Linux patch management techniques. So Linux devices must be updated regularly to ensure that the latest security patches are installed security patches and released to remediate discovered vulnerabilities for the operating system or Windows software. A script can be created and to automatically update the Linux system at a specific time. In this exercise, a script will be created and a schedule will be set to update the Linux operating system at regular intervals. So learning outcomes after completing this exercise, you should be able to create an update script, create a schedule update task. So your devices, you will be using the following devices in this lab. Please power this on now. So task 1, create an update script. A script can be used to update a Linux device at regular intervals. In this task, a script will be created to update a Linux device. Connect to ACI Alma. Select terminal from the activities window. In the terminal window, enter the following. So sudo su, then password, then in terminal window, enter the following. vim update plus hs, press enter. Note, executing the command will create a new file using the vim text editor. In the root at localhost home, press I, and then in the vim text editor, enter the following. bin slash bash dnf update dash y. Then in the vim text editor, press escape and done. So step 7, in the vim text editor, type the following wq. Then note, the vim text editor was used to create a script that will check and install the latest updates of the operating system. So the terminal window, enter the following chmod plus x update plus sh and press enter. Note, executing the command will make the updates plus sh file executable. The terminal window, enter the following. So ls -l update plus sh. Enter. Note, executing the command displays the file permission of the update sh file and that it is an executable file. Leave the terminal window open for the next task. So create a schedule update task. A scheduled task can be created to run at a scheduled time to ensure that a Linux operating system has the most up-to-date update installed. The updates can be scheduled to run a specific time to ensure it will not affect productivity. In this task, a scheduled task will be created to run an update script at a scheduled time. So step 1, ensure you are connected to ACI Alma. The terminal window from the previous task is open. Terminal window, enter the following. So cron tab /l, enter. So note, the cron tab utility can schedule regular tasks on a Linux device. Executing the cron tab-l command displays all the scheduled tasks for the device. The terminal window, enter the following. So cron tab-e. So in the terminal window, press I. So note, the cron tab -e command is used to edit the cron jobs of a Linux device. By pressing I, the cron jobs can be edited. Terminal window, enter the following. 0 space 6 time 5 root slash home slash ACI admin slash update test HS. Enter. A cron job has been created that will run every Friday at 600 a.m. or 6 a.m. executing the updates that SS script as the root server or user. Several other options are available to run scheduled tasks at specific times. Terminal window, press exec, then that. Then in terminal window, type the following, WQ, then press enter. Terminal window, type the following, cron tab -l, enter. So note, executing the command displays that a cron job has been scheduled to run at the specified times executing the updated SS script. Keep all the devices that you have powered on in their current state and proceed to the review section. So well done. You have completed the vulnerability patching and attack surface management practice lab. So summary the exercise. You completed the following exercise. Exercise 1, window patch management techniques. Exercise 2, Linux patch management technique. You should now be able to create a production workstation, create a Windows workstation update group policy, create an update script, create a scheduled update task. So submit a feedback. Shut down all of the virtual machines used in this tab. Alternatively, you can log out of the file platform. So done.